In addition, the Flex Hybrid screen is foldable, plus stretchable. Samsung demonstrates the new generation of OLED panel, Flex Hybrid. Hi viewers. Welcome to my technological world, your own YouTube tech channel. Here are reasonable guesses for what the final specs might look like, based on current Samsung foldable tech, and what is being leaked which combines foldable and stretchable sliding functions, and can be used on smartphones, tablets, and laptops in the future. According to leaked specifications, display, 10-inch, diagonal, in full unfold, with 2 to 3 smaller panels when half or partially folded. Likely OLED and AMOLED with flexible substrate. Refresh rate, probably 120 Hz, across at least the main panels. Maybe adaptive to save battery. RAM or storage, top flagship class. Maybe 1216 GB RAM, 256, 512 GB storage or more. Battery, dual cell or split battery design. Total perhaps 4,000, 5,000 nits or more to accommodate the large displays. Processor, new flagship chipset. Perhaps next-gen Snapdragon or Samsung's own. Likely 3nm high efficiency. Cameras. Multi-lens rear setup, possibly with foldable optimized outer cover screens, or inner camera arrays aligned with hinges, to allow selfie use both when folded and unfolded. So guys, this is fresh news about new Samsung floatable smartphone. I hope you like this video. If you like, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, My Technological World. Thank you for watching.